a Manhattan clam chowder today. Recipe courtesy of my friend Jessica. We're gonna start by prepping all the vegetables and then prepping the seasonings and then get cooking. I'm not really an expert, so I'm just gonna our onions, our mushrooms, celery, carrots. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, a stir. The veggies are soft now. Gonna add some garlic. Saute that for about 30 seconds. Give it a little bit more. Stir in the clam juice. I didn't know these were a thing. Pour that in. And one more. This pan. Put in the juices. Popped clams. First, bay leaf in there, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, tablespoon of thyme, oregano,